This question is to determine the orthocenter and circumcenter of a triangle, using a specific example with vertices. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much. For the triangle with vertices P at 0, 0, Q at 4, 0, and R at 2, 3, which of the following gives the correct coordinates of the orthocenter and circumcenter of triangle PQR? There are 4 options. First step, altitude from P at 0, 0. Line QR passes through points 4, 0, and 2, 3. Its slope is -3/2. The perpendicular slope is 2/3. Therefore, the altitude from point P has the equation y equals 2/3 times x. Then, next step, altitude from Q at 4, 0. Line PR passes through points 0, 0, and 2, 3. Its slope is 3/2. The perpendicular slope is -2/3. Therefore, the altitude from point Q has the equation y equals -2/3 multiplied by the quantity x minus 4. Next step is orthocenter. To find the orthocenter, solve the system of the 2 altitude equations. From step 1, y equals 2/3 times x. From step 2, y equals -2/3 times the quantity x minus 4. Equating these gives 2/3 x equals -2/3 x plus 8/3. Simplifying, 4/3 x equals 8/3, so x equals 2. Substituting into y equals 2/3 times x gives y equals 4/3. Thus, the orthocenter is at the point 2, 4/3. Next step is perpendicular bisector of side PQ. The midpoint of PQ is 2, 0. Since PQ is horizontal, its perpendicular bisector is the vertical line x equals 2. Next step, perpendicular bisector of side PR. The midpoint of PR is 1, 3/2. The slope of line PR is 3/2. The perpendicular slope is -2/3. Thus, the perpendicular bisector through the midpoint has equation y minus 3/2 equals -2/3 times the quantity x minus 1. Next step is circumcenter. To find the circumcenter, use the fact that it lies on x equals 2. Substituting into the equation from step 5, we get y minus 3/2 equals -2/3 times 1, which is -2/3. So y equals 3/2 minus 2/3, which simplifies to 5/6. Therefore, the circumcenter is at 2, 5/6. The correct choice is option B. Orthocenter 2, 4/3 and circumcenter 2, 5/6. Always remember, the orthocenter is the intersection of altitudes, and the circumcenter is the intersection of perpendicular bisectors. The most common error is mixing up slopes, so check carefully when finding perpendicular lines. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.